guys? So today we are gonna try not to laugh. Cats and dog funny videos. Let's go. Okay, let's start with this one. Oh my gosh! Wait, what? I think I've seen this before. You just said hello. Cats can talk nowadays. For what? Okay. Oh, that was. What's wrong with that cat? I almost popped the balloon. What's. Oh. No. Oh, that cat is. Ooh, odd. Okay, I left. I'm not gonna laugh anymore. Okay, two. Cats are so silly. Ooh. Oh. These are not fun, but what is that cat eating? No, just hung out. It's stupid. What? How can cats do that, bro? Oh, and of course, bro. Don't have YouTube Premium. Where is? I'm gonna cut it. Okay. Oh, that was a fat dog. Okay, I left again. Why am I keep laughing, bro? Why? I'm gonna try my best. Yeah, man. Bro was shocked. Okay. Oh, there's one donut. How did wait what? Bro, what did I just see? Wait. Not this one. Look at this dog. This dog had another egg dog. What? He can just stand and fall. I was what wait. Hold on. Yeah, bro. This is gotta be fake. What? Backflip. I never seen an animal backflip. Oh, I seen that clip before. Oh, what kind of cat? No. Oh, just bro. Wait a second. What's that cat doing? Hey, that cat is squishing the other cat. Hey, what? Oh, we Oh my god, why did you so? Oh, I like to get. I have left like 3 or 4 times during this challenge. Wow, yeah. Let's go. Oh my god. I have left 4 or 5 times now. I'm actually not gonna laugh anymore. I'm not gonna laugh anymore. I have left too many times. Like I should like end this video or not. I left so many times. I know it's only 4 minutes long, but it's so. How is that cat making music? What? Okay, this dog eating shoes. Dog alarm. Oh, that is what happened. Okay. Oh, the cat guy woke up. Well, what did I just said? Wait. What did I just said? Woke up and my job was gone. The dog of my oh a tiny bread. I think I heard that before. Oh, no target sound. I shared the sound. What is that cat doing? That is the most stupid cat. Okay. Oh, what is this? Is that a dog or a cat? It's a dog. So let's. So it's a dog. What is this? Japan or China? I think it's Japan. Oh, that is. Oh, now it's gonna burn. She doesn't even burn. Oh, well, sad. Oh, wait a second. Okay, guys, I'm be pausing it for so long because something I don't know. Okay, now let's do it. Bro really said. Okay. Wait. Oh, let me get. Oh. Oh my gosh, farting at the face. Okay, let's see. Is that? Oh my god, you missed it, bro. Falling down. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bro, what are these? When I like a video, it doesn't mean I have to subscribe to the channel. Oh, what? Wait. Okay, we're back. Thank you. Why does it say thank? Because. Oh, I know what just happened. But I guess it's fine. So, yeah. Okay. What did he just do? Oh. What did the dog just do, bro? He just spit out like some. Did he spit out like some ball? Mr. The vacuum market. That is the angriest cat ever. Batman cat. Batman. Yeah. A dog doesn't want water or whatever it is. Oh, that was the tiniest cat ever. Not my fault. Oh, what is the dog doing? What the dog do? What did that whale just eat? That was the funniest movie I faced. Oh, that girl was just talking and the kid just chopped her. That was pretty funny. Oh. Okay, guys, this was for today. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye. Yeah, I left 7 or 6 times. I'm not gonna say. Yeah, I'm gonna swap it because you know why. Don't comment 6-7. Okay, don't you dare. Goodbye.